Maya studied English for 3 years. She had a good vocabulary. She understood grammar rules. She could read articles and write emails without any problem. Her English teacher always said, "Maya, your written English is excellent, but speaking, that was different. That was scary." Every time Maya tried to speak English, something strange happened. Her mind went completely blank. Her heart started beating fast. Her hands felt cold, and her mouth just stopped working. It was like her brain had a door, and the moment someone said, "Can you speak in English?" that door closed, locked, gone. One afternoon, her manager stopped by her desk. "Maya, can you present your project idea in tomorrow's team meeting? In English, please." Maya smiled and said, "Yes, of course." But inside, she was terrified. That night, she sat at her desk alone and asked herself one question. Why can I write English perfectly, but I cannot speak it? She needed an answer. Maya opened her laptop and started searching. After an hour, she found a video about something called the affective filter. A linguist, a language scientist named Stephen Krashen explained it like this. When you feel anxious or stressed, your brain builds an invisible wall. That wall stops the language you already know from coming out. It is not that you don't know the words. It is that your fear is blocking them. Maya watched the video twice. Then she sat back and thought quietly. So, it is not my English that is the problem, she whispered. It is my fear. The video said the solution was simple, but not easy. You need to practice in situations with no pressure, no judgment, no one watching, just you and the language. Maya looked around her empty apartment. She smiled slowly. "Okay," she said. "I can do that." The next morning, Maya woke up early. While she was making coffee, she did something new. She talked out loud in English. "I am making coffee. The water is boiling. I need the sugar. Where is the sugar? Oh, it is next to the milk. Good. Now I wait." She felt a little silly at first, but no one was listening. No one was judging. And slowly, it started to feel natural. She also tried a technique called shadowing. She played a short English podcast and repeated every sentence immediately. Same speed, same rhythm, same emotion. She made many mistakes. She stumbled over words. She laughed at herself sometimes. But every day she practiced for just 10 minutes. Alone. No pressure, no wall. The next day, Maya walked into the meeting room. Her hands were a little cold. Her heart was a little fast. But this time, before she sat down, she whispered something quietly to herself. Maya has practiced this. Maya is ready. Her manager looked at her. "Maya, please share your idea with the team." Maya took one slow breath. She spoke clearly. She spoke slowly. She made one small grammar mistake and she kept going anyway. When she finished, the room was quiet for a moment. Then her colleague smiled and said, "That was really clear. Great idea, Maya." Maya felt something warm in her chest. Not because she was perfect. Because she did not stop. That evening, Maya opened her notebook and wrote, "I was not blocked because I didn't know enough English. I was blocked because I was afraid of being imperfect." She put down her pen and looked out the window. Fluency is not about knowing every word. It is not about perfect grammar. It is about being brave enough to open your mouth, even when your heart is beating fast, even when you make mistakes, even when the door in your brain tries to close. Maya still makes mistakes, but now she speaks anyway, and every day the wall gets a little smaller.